Isuko na lang natin ang West Philippine Sea. Panawagan yan ng maraming Pilipinong naiinis na sa paulit-ulit na pangharas lang ng China. Total ayaw naman ng Foreign Affairs palagan ng AFP ang mga Chinese. E di isuko na lang, diba? Nag-aantay lang naman ng utos ang AFP para pumalag na tayo. Pero ang utos pa rin ng nakataas Foreign Affairs Secretary Manalo, protesta lang muna ang gagawin ng Pilipinas. Wag na daw natin palalain ang tensyon. Total first offense pa lang naman daw, diba? Maghain na lang muna tayo ng diplomatic protest.
Also sent a note verbal. Without going into the detail, the essential points of all of these statements were the strong condemnation of the incident and the fact that yung Philippine Air Force jet plane posed no threat to the PLA Air Force. These were local flight operations, and they did not violate any sovereignty or jurisdiction. They're within our rights, and they entered over our airspace. So they were undertaken over airspace, and those were the main points we stressed to China in these statements and also in our note verbal.
Hanggat di tayo pumapalag, hindi titigil yang China. Nagpapabuli kasi tayo eh. Ayaw gayahin ng Pilipinas yung ginawa noon ng South Korea. Pumasok sa EEZ ng South Korea ang Chinese Maritime Militia. Ayun, pinagbobomba nila ng water cannon. Nagresulta ba sa giyera? Nagkaputukan ba? Hindi naman, diba? Ayaw pa rin kasi ni Secretary Manalo na lumala ang tensyon at umabot daw sa malaking gulo. Nakasaad daw sa note verbal na ipinadala sa China, may karapatan ang Pilipinas sa Bao de Masinloc. Illegal raw ang pagbabanta ng Chinese jet. Pero di ba paulit-ulit na rin yung binabasura ng China?
Ano ba tayong ibang maisip kundi diplomatic protest at ano pa ba yung pwedeng nating magawa kaya, no? Kaugnay dito, Mr. Chair.
Tsaka ang policy naman natin here on the South China Sea has always been our willingness to settle any differences or disputes through peaceful means, and that means through negotiation or through diplomatic methods in accordance with international law. So, hindi lang limited ang ano namin sa note verbal. Of course, if China is willing to speak with us on this, we are open to talking with China.
Ang mas nakakatawa pa dito, nagulat pa si Secretary Manalo na binastos tayo ulit ng China. Di pa ata natututong si Secretary Manalo. E wala namang kakwenta-kwentang kausap ang mga Chinese. Ano pa ang aasahan mo dyan?
China has always said it's wanted to de-escalate, but every time, of course, na nangyayari na ganito, certainly it tends to raise tensions. So it's something that certainly we have to pay close attention to. But yun ang sinasabi nila, we have to see if they can really help in maintaining a more stable relationship para mag-de-escalate ng konti ang tensions. But every time something like this happens, you begin to think.
Ang ibang Pilipino nakakaamoy na. Foreign Affairs ang laging kausap ng Chinese Foreign Ministry. Mukhang may nangyayari na namang secret deal ha. Ayaw kasi sabihin sa publiko kung ano ang mga napag-uusapan. Halata mo may natinatago talaga ang Department of Foreign Affairs.
Now the main point here is there is already an agreement that our Chinese friends have agreed that there is a RORE. RORE meaning rotation and reprovisioning of essentials. The details of which of this meeting is, I would really request for an executive session kung mamarapatin po ng chair because of the sensitivities of the arrangement.
Madaming Pilipino ang nadidismaya na sa DFA. Panawagan tuloy ng iba, patalsigin na sa pwesto ang tuta ng China. Ano sa palagay nyo? Pabor ba kayo sa panawagan na nakararaming mag-resign na ang mga pro-China? Ikomento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.